Hello and welcome to or back to Miss Crasslot's Lair. I am Barbie and today is Vlogmas day 9. Unfortunately, today is another day where it's not really anything spectacular for me to show you. I did do some knitting yesterday, a little bit, and what I did do, I had to frog. Um, but I did work out the math that I needed to do for my next pattern project. So, yay. Um Today is not like a whole lot. I did also get into my book that I showed you yesterday. Um so I did read the first couple of chapters. I don't know if you would really call it, really didn't say if that was a prologue or not. Anyway, um kind of an overview reminder of what happened in the previous book in a way, a classy way. So I read a little bit of the book and I did a lot of math. Um and I also did a lot of like sitting and relaxing and slogging, vegging. Um So hopefully I'm feeling a whole lot better right now than what I was yesterday. So that's a good thing. Today, because what happens here tonight and into tomorrow morning, like early morning, is going to be tomorrow's video. Tomorrow, I may have a craft store stop to show you. I also am planning definitely going to be getting back into my crafts tomorrow because I can't just, yeah. Um, I had mentioned that I need to finish the wreath, need to finish the Christmas tree, and need to finish the snowman wall hanging. And I'm so saying today is day 9. I only have like what 5 more days to get all this done. So I'm going to be working on that probably here tomorrow. So I have lots to do. Bouncing around and still like trying to not overdo it. So I'm sorry that these last couple days were kind of something. Like I said, we got, like I was mentioning in yesterday's video, we got the same amount of snow as we got the entire last winter, um, in 2 snowfalls. So it's been a lot. It's been crazy around here. So with that, Um, tomorrow I'm gonna be home all day. I'm not going anywhere in ice. So yeah, or potential ice. We will see what happens when it happens. But until then, thank you so much for watching and bye.